Okay, so today on the XT250, we are going to be removing the gas tank and replacing it with, I'll put the part here, a fuel pressure regulator. That way, hopefully, it regulates fuel better and, does combustion things. First thing you need to do is take the seat off. Two 10 mils back here. Bam, seat off. So this is a fuel pump assembly, and the fuel pressure regulator is right there. I believe that one's probably bad. It was super rusty and I wire wheeled it off, but I doubt it's good anymore. So we're gonna pop that off. Yeah, that's pretty gross on the inside there. Probably wasn't doing too much. They are slightly different in size, so hope it works. Fits back in nice. Clips back in. Well, now we put this back in the tank. That is pointed that way. And when I took this tank off, I don't know if you can see here, I've made a Sharpie mark. And then I made a Sharpie mark there so I can tell which way it goes back on. Because it doesn't line up perfect. You do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you're putting this back on, after you've made your Sharpie mark so you know which way it goes on, you want to hand tighten them because you don't want to cross thread them. And then put this on the lowest setting. Bump that one setting. Nope, that stripped it. All right. That's back together. Now let's go charge the battery. When you put the tank on, all it is that one clip. Let's see if I can balance it. This clip has 3 clips that you take off so that way you can push that and pull it off. And then this just slides back on until you hear the click, and then that's kind of to protect it so it doesn't just pop off. All right, tank back in position. Let's try throwing some gas in and seeing if it runs. Where's the key? Key! Gotta have the key. So. Come on, baby. Cycle some fuel in there. Battery is dead. So we'll come start that in a little bit. Okay, so put the new fuel pressure regulator in here. I tried starting it before the battery was not fully charged. Now it's fully charged. Since April I've had this bike. It's now 2 days away from October, and now it's running. I just need a chain, then it will be able to move.